Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you? I hope you will be good and safe and healthy at home. Welcome to your English class. Open your OPE book page number 27. Dear students, in previous video we completed exercise C and this lesson. Okay? Today we will complete exercise D and E. In exercise D we will learn about same meaning words. There are some words that looks different but their meaning are the same. Their spelling is different. Okay, the word is different but the meaning is same. Just for example, woman. Here is the different spelling of woman, and here is the word lady. Woman and lady are the words with same meaning. And second word is small, little. These are the words with same meaning. Now match these words. As in exercise A, we have underlined the words. Do you remember this word? Tell. Story. Tell is the same meaning word. Okay? Story and tell are the same meaning word. Lovely, beautiful. Meaning is same. Okay, match the lovely with beautiful. Woman, lady, small, little, lovely, beautiful. Story, tell. Hello, hi. These are the same meaning words. And you must know about the same meaning words because you write synonyms of words. Okay? Synonyms means same meaning. Okay? Now exercise E. Pair means two. In your notebook, write a pair of for each picture of pair. Circle the one that is not pair. Now we will circle the picture. So what is not pair here? Circle that is not pair in this picture. Dear students, pair means two. Two things together, we call them pair. Trousers. This is a pair of trousers. Pair of shoes. Pair of shorts. Pair of gloves, pair of scissors. Coat is not pair. Circle the coat. Now we will say that a pair of gloves, a pair of shorts, a pair of shoes, a pair of trousers, pair of scissors. Dear students, we can say more words like this: a pair of colors, a pair of spoons, a pair of socks, a pair of earphones. So students, pair means two same things like pants, shoes, gloves, earphones. These are the two same things. Okay, I hope you understood these two exercises. And now come to the book page 28. Here is the book page 28, unit 5, lesson 3, reading The Shoemaker and the Elves. Exercise A is listen. As you read the story, ask yourself who made the shoes. Let's read the story. Once upon a time there was an old shoemaker. He was a poor man who had a small shop. One day he said to his wife, "Oh dear, I have only a little leather and a little thread, and I can only make one pair of shoes. There will be no more money. What will we do then?" "Don't worry," said his wife. "It's late now. Make them in the mornings." So the shoemaker and his wife went to sleep. Next morning they walked into the shop. On the table was a beautiful pair of shoes. Dear students, look at this picture. This is the shoemaker and his wife. They are in their shop. So they saw the beautiful pair of shoes. "Look!" cried the shoemaker to his wife. "What a lovely shoes!" "But who made them?" she asked. "I don't know," he said. "They put the new shoes in the shop window." Look, students, in this picture, the new shoes are in the shop's window. Okay? Soon a lady came. She liked the shoes very much and paid the shoemaker 3 gold coins for the shoes. Now underline the word gold coin. Here above the words leather, thread, pair. Underline these words. So, dear student, the shoemaker went out and with the coins he bought some more leather and some more thread. Now I can make 2 more pairs of shoes, he said. Don't make them now, said his wife. It's late, make them in the morning. So the shoemaker and his wife went to sleep. Next morning they walked into the shop. On the table were 2 beautiful pairs of shoes, but they didn't know who had made them. So they put the new shoes in the shop window. Soon a man came in. He liked the shoes very much and paid the shoemaker 6 gold coins for them. With the coin, the shoemaker bought, underline the word bought, more leather and more thread. Dear students, here is the bought is the second form of the word buy, B-U-Y, buy. When we talk about the past tense, we use the verb's second form. There are 3 forms of the verb: first, second and third. This is the second form that we use in past. Okay, when we use these kind of verb, that means that is already happened in the past time. Okay, dear students, here are some more verbs and their forms. Here is the word came. This is a verb and its first form is come, and this is the second form of the verb came. Okay, you must listen about the word catch. Catch is the first form of the verb and second form is caught. Run is a verb. Ran is the second form. Okay, ran. Here is ran. It's a second form, past. Okay, here first form is ru and run, and second form is ran, ran. Now I can make 4 more pairs, said the shoemaker. Okay, but who is making the shoes? Asked his wife. Let's hide and see, her husband said. So that night the shoemaker and his wife hid in the shop. Now hid is the second form of the verb hide. Okay, hidden is third. Okay, at midnight the 2 little elves ran into the shop. They were wearing old green clothes full of holes, tears. They jumped onto the table and they made 3 beautiful pairs of shoes. Oh, elves are very beautiful and helping. Before morning, they ran away. Now we know who made the shoes, said the shoemaker. The elves are helping us, said his wife. Now, how can we help them? So dear students, ये स्टोरी थी शू मेकर ऑन एंड द एल्व्स. शू मेकर उसको कहते हैं जो जूते बनाता है. एल्व्स एक जादुई मखलूक होती है, जैसे परियां होती हैं या जिन होते हैं. ये बहुत ही मददगार होते हैं, अच्छे होते हैं. ये देखो इस तरह के होते हैं एल्व्स. इनको ग्रीन कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, इनके कपड़े फटे हुए भी हैं, ठीक है, और इनको एक टोपी पहनी हुई है, उनकी नाक लंबी है. ये इस तरह के एल्व्स होते हैं. तो ये स्टोरी ऐसी है कि एक शू मेकर के पास बहुत ही गरीब होता है. उसके पास थोड़ा सा चमड़ा होता है और थोड़ा ही धागा होता है, तो उससे सिर्फ एक ही शूज़ बना सकता है. तो दूसरे शूज़ बनाने के लिए उसके पास पैसे भी नहीं होते और ना ही चमड़ा और ना ही धागा होता है. तो वो बहुत परेशान होता है. तो उसकी वाइफ, घरवाली जो होती है, उसको कहती है जो आज की रात सो जाते हैं, सुबह उठ के देख लेंगे, फिर कोई ना कोई हल निकल आएगा. जब वो सुबह उठ के देखते हैं तो उनके दुकान में एक प्यारे शूज़ पड़े होते हैं जो किसी ने अभी नए बना के रखे हुए होते हैं. तो वो देख के बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं और फिर अगली सुबह भी वो उनको बेच देते हैं. फिर अगली सुबह भी इस तरह ही होता है. उनके पास और 2 जोड़े जूतों के और पड़े हुए होते हैं. पर बहुत तो देख के बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं कि फिर उन सोचने लगते हैं कि ये हमारी हेल्प कौन कर रहा है, कौन सुबह को ये शूज़ बना के रखता है. फिर उन्होंने कहा चलो एक रात सोचते हैं, चलो हम ना एक रात छुप के देखते हैं. फिर छुप के उनको जो भी शूज़ बनाएगा हम उसको छुप के देखेंगे. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे छुपे हुए हैं. तो वो देखना चाहती थी कौन बना रहा है, ठीक है. तो उन्होंने दीवार या दरवाजे के पीछे वो छुपते रहे. फिर उन्होंने देखा कि 2 एल्व्स आते हैं और वो जूते बनाने ले जाते हैं. फिर सुबह होते ही वो चले जाते हैं. अब उनको पता चल गया कि एल्व्स हमारी मदद कर रहे हैं, तो ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम भी उनकी मदद करें. अब ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम उनकी कैसे मदद So dear students, come to the exercise B. True or false? Read the sentence about the story and tick those that are true. First you have to tick those sentences that are true. For example, sentence number 5. He bought some more thread and some more leather and thread with the money. Tick the sentence number 5 because it's true. Okay. Now you have to tick more 2 sentences. Here is the example. The shoemaker was poor. It has tick because it's true. Tick more sentences that are true. Now the remaining sentences are false. Now we will change the false sentences in true. For example, sentence number 1. The shoemaker had a big shop. No, small shop. He had a lot of leather. No, little leather. Lot of. No, he didn't had lot of leather. He had little leather. In the morning, an old pair of shoes was on the chair. New pair of shoes was on the chair. And the next morning, 6 shoes were on the table. No, 4 shoes on the table. A lady paid him 4 gold coins. No, 3 gold coins for the shoes. Now, make the above sentences true like I have done and write these sentences on your notebook. You have to write 5 sentences, any 5 sentences from this exercise B and write that on your notebook. Okay, so dear students, पहले आपको जो यहाँ पे ट्रू सेंटेंसेस है उनको टिक लगाना है. फिर जो सेंटेंसेस रह जाते हैं उनमें से जो फॉल्स सेंटेंस हैं उसको हमें ट्रू करना है. अब ये रह गए ना, इन द मॉर्निंग एन ओल्ड पेयर ऑफ शूज़ वाज ऑन द चेयर. अब हम इसको ट्रू कैसे करेंगे? इसमें सिर्फ हम ओल्ड की जगह पे न्यू डाल देंगे तो ये ट्रू हो जाएगा. और हम इस तरह से 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखेंगे और वो अपनी हम नोटबुक में आप लिख के और तस्वीर मुझे भेजेंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पे पहले टिक करना है, फिर वो सेंटेंसेस जो फॉल्स हैं उनको ट्रू करके नोटबुक में लिख के ये इस तरह से लिखना है. द शू मेकर हैड अ स्मॉल शॉप. ओके, जैसे कि सेंटेंस नंबर 1 लिखा हुआ है, द शू मेकर हैड अ स्मॉल शॉप. इस तरह से आप लिख के मुझे सेंड करें. ओके.